Now I start the class today. Very important topics. First I discuss analogous of the translatory motion and rotatory motion. Look here, all of you. Today I comparison translatory motion and rotatory motion. Look here, all of you. Okay? In the situation, look here. In the translatory motion, displacement denoted by S. In the rotatory motion, displacement denoted by theta. Look here, all of you. In the translatory motion, displacement denoted by S. In the rotatory motion, displacement denoted by theta. Look here, all of you. Generally, in the translatory motion, velocity denoted by omega v. In the rotatory motion, velocity denoted by omega. Linear velocity, aman ka angular velocity. Linear displacement, angular displacement. I write analogous. Look here. Acceleration in the translatory motion denoted by A. Here acceleration denoted by alpha. Look here again. In the translatory motion, linear acceleration, alpha angular acceleration. Look here. Here mass denoted by m. Mass analogous term in the rotatory motion, moment of inertia. Here mass, here what? Moment of inertia. Okay, Nana? Next, look here, all of you. This is force. Force की analogous term, torque. Okay, Nana? This is the linear momentum. In the rotatory motion, linear momentum analogous is angular momentum. Look here. In the translatory motion, time t. Rotatory motion, time t. Time does not change. Look here. Look here, all analogous terms. Linear displacement S. Angular displacement theta, linear velocity v, angular velocity omega, linear acceleration a, angular acceleration alpha, mass. Analogous term is moment of inertia. Force analogous term is torque. Linear momentum analogous term is angular momentum. Time. Please write the running notes. Very important formulas I give today. In the mechanics, we know that kinematic equations. The first equation is V equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation of the kinematics. Next one, the second equation is S equal to ut plus half et square, half at square. The third equation is v square minus u square equal to 2s. This is the translatory motion kinematics, kinematic equations. But now the chapter is rotatory motion. That's why we are right in this equation. Kinematic equations in rotatory motion. Look here. U indicate initial velocity. A indicate acceleration, T indicate time, V indicate final velocity, S indicate displacement. Look here, all of you. V final velocity, final angular velocity because analogous right. U initial velocity, right initial angular acceleration. A right as alpha into T. This is the kinematic first equation. Next one, look here all of you. Kinematic second equation. Linear displacement analogous angular displacement. Here U write as omega I into T plus half into alpha T square. This is the kinematic second equation. Look here all of you. This is kinematic third equation. Omega square final minus omega square initial. Look here 2 alpha theta. Here A analogous alpha. S analogous theta. Yes, relations. What is the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity? V equal to R omega. Once again repeat. What is the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity? What is the relation? V equal to R omega. What is the relation between linear acceleration and angular acceleration? A equal to R alpha. V equal to R omega. A equal to R alpha. Look here all of you. This is the relation between V and omega. This is the relation between A and alpha. Okay? This acceleration is called tangential acceleration. Next we discuss angular momentum. Angular momentum denoted by L. Yesterday I give cross product examples. L bar defined as R bar cross P bar. Okay? It write as both side I apply modulus, magnitude taken. A cross B write as AB sin theta. A B sin theta. Okay, Nana? Here theta is angle between R and P. In the situation, for example, here particle is there. This particle represented by the coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis. This particle joined from origin. This is called position vector. Here R bar is there. For example, particle moves in this direction. Particle motion, momentum, mass into velocity. In the situation, here R and P, what angle? Perpendicular. R and P, what happens? Perpendicular. Okay, Nana? Adamotunda. In the situation, momentum means mass into velocity. This is the motion of the particle. Here theta is 90. Here right. What is the formula for L? R P sin 90 value 1. In this situation, L equal to R into P write as mv. Simply angular momentum, another formula is mvr. This is applicable only for particle. Any situation, write angular momentum of the particle. Angular momentum of the particle. What is the formula? mvr. What is the another formula? rp. What is the vector form? L bar is r bar cross p bar. Okay? In the situation, look here. Now I discuss angular momentum of the particle. What is the formula? mvr. In the situation, m okay, v ante r omega పక్కనేదా ఉంది r. Neatly write as angular momentum of the particle is mr square into omega. Last week I says mr square, momentum of inertia of the particle. This is the important formula, relation between angular momentum and moment of inertia. What is the formula? L equal to I omega. Please write. Look here, once again I repeat. What is the torque definition? Force into perpendicular distance. Distance measured, force to fixed point or fixed axis. Rf. Newton's second law. F means ma. A means R alpha. A means R alpha here, right? mr square into alpha. mr square in the physics, moment of inertia. This is the torque formula, nana. Important. What is the torque formula? I alpha. Angular momentum formula I omega. Now I discuss rotational kinematics. Okay na? Rotational kinetics lekapothe. Now I discuss another important formula. Look here. Generally, what is the formula for work? Meera cheppali. Work formula is force into displacement. But now the chapter is rotatory motion. In the rotatory motion, force analogous term is torque, displacement analogous term is angular displacement. This is the formula for work. In rotatory motion, what is the formula for work? Tau theta. Alane important formula. What is the formula for rotational power? Generally, in the mechanics, power ante work by time, force into displacement by time, simply force into velocity. What is the formula for power? Force into velocity. Here, force analogous term is torque. Linear velocity analogous term is omega. What is the formula for power? Power formula is tau into omega. Okay? This is the formula for power. Force analogous torque, linear velocity analogous angular velocity. That is the formula for power. Generally, kinetic energy. This is called rotational kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy? Motion of the energy. What is the basic formula? Of mv square. But The new chapter name is rotational kinematics. In rotatory motion, analogous separate. Of means of, mass analogous, moment of inertia, linear velocity analogous, omega. What is the kinetic energy formula? Of I omega square. Of I omega square. This is the rotational kinetic energy. Next one. We know that work energy theorem. Work energy theorem statement is work done equal to by the force equal to change in kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy. In the situation W equal to change in kinetic energy means KE final, KE initial. Here KE in rotatory motion, KE final is half I omega square final minus KE initial means half I omega square initial. This is called work energy theorem in rotatory motion. Small doubt. What is the rotational kinetic energy formula? మీరే చెప్పాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఏదో ఇచ్చాను కదా, హాఫ్ ఐ ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్. But in the previous I discussed L formula. L formula is I omega. In the situation it write as half into, look here, I square omega square whole by I. రాయొచ్చా రాయకూడదు? I ఏమైంది? Cancel. In the situation I omega write as L square whole by 2I. This is the kinetic energy formula in terms of angular momentum. Here write. What is the rotational kinetic energy? First formula half I omega square. Second formula L square by 2I. L square by 2I. Okay. Next ఇంకొక ఫార్ములా కూడా ఉంటుంది. Look here. In terms of angular momentum, half it write as omega square write as omega into omega. I omega write as L. In the situation half into L omega. We know that what is the first formula? What is the first formula? Work done formula in terms of rotatory motion, tau theta. Power formula in terms of rotatory motion, tau omega. Kinetic energy, three formulas. The first formula in rotatory motion, half I omega square. Second formula, L square by 2I. Third formula, half L omega. Half L omega. Next one, work energy theorem. In the work energy theorem means work done equal to change in kinetic energy. Simply half I omega square final minus half I omega square initial. This is the work energy theorem.